Hello friends and welcome back to another exciting video. My name is Pranjal Mahajan and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can host your own website on the server. In today's video I'm going to show firstly how you can purchase a domain for free. So let's get started. As you can see, I've shared my laptop screen with you all. So after this I'm going to open the Chrome. Now the Chrome is opened. After this, I'm going to open Freenom website through which I'm going to purchase the domain. I've mentioned the link of this website in the description. You can go directly through that. The website is getting open. So here is the find your new domain. Write your domain in the search bar. Whatever name you want, you can take that as well. And just click on check availability. So I'm just writing so my vlog is not available, so I'm writing it as my first vlog. Click on check availability and write the extension so that the domain will be selected automatically. Sometimes it shows error while selecting, so just write the domain extension whichever you want after seeing which are the free extension available. I've taken here .tk. You can take ml or any other, and just you can see here that it is selected, and then just click on the checkout to proceed with the purchase. Now you can see here they have given the period option, so you can select here the free period up to 12 months for the domain, but I'm going to select it for 1 month because I also want to show you how you can renew the domain. So that's why I'm selecting here 1 month. So my domain will expire soon and I'll show you how to renew it. Now just click on the continue button. So it will lead you to the further information. Now here you have to create your account, write down your email address there fully, and then just click on verify my email address. You can see the value of the purchase is 0 at the top, and then just click on my verify my email address. And now they have sent on your email a verification link, so that is valid for 24 hours. Just open up your email inbox and just click on that link to verify your email. I'm just opening my email. I have already logged in to the laptop, so I can just verify it from here. So here is the email from Freenom website. Just open it and click on the link there. Click on it. Now a new web page will be opened up. It will directly lead you to the Freenom website. Here you have to fill in your details all. So firstly, write out the detail. Only just select the country India, because if you take the country US and number of dummy number, it will not allow you at the creation of account. I'll tell you the reason why you have to use a US dummy number and address as US. Just for right now, write your number, phone number, and country and state of India, and just complete it, because it will show you error like this if you select country as US while creating a number of US. So just change it and write your own things there. So here I am writing my own state and phone number. Select your password and write it there. And then select the terms and condition box and click on complete order. As soon as you complete, they have written that attention, some of your domains could not be registered. So this is the reason why I was telling you that we need to write dummy address of US and number. Like we have to write whole information in Freenom account as dummy of US, because currently that website is showing error while purchasing domains if we write the address or country as India. So but while creating for the first time, when you fill in the details, you need to have it of India. I don't know why it doesn't accept that, but I tried a lot of time to do that, but it was showing error. So that's why I'm telling you this second hack through which you can purchase your domain. After that, just go to your client area from the below button. Like there they have given, click here to go to your client area, and then just click on the name which you have written in your, and then click on edit account details. I've written the domain name there because I copy paste all the things out there. Just have changed the state, zip code and number. So now just change the state and country to US and the dummy address state, and also change the number, phone number. I have also mentioned a link in the description through which you can find out US dummy phone numbers, address, name, and all the necessary things that you need to fill in the account information of Freenom, and just click on save changes. Now they have told that changes saved successfully. It means now all the details are updated. Now just click on the services and say register a new domain. And again find your domain name there. You can directly write with its extension or without it as well. But sometimes it show like not available something. That's why I prefer, or I'll suggest you to write it with extension. First check what all are the extension freely available, and then just write it with the extension. Now it is selected automatically. Just click on the checkout option again. Now select the period as you want. I'm selecting here 1 month. You can select up to 12 months. Then continue. And then click on the terms and condition box and say complete order. Now there it is written that order is confirmed. We have purchased the domain successfully. Then you can just click here to go on your client area. If it's showing error, go back and click to services and select my domain to view your domain name which is purchased successfully. You can see the status is active, registration date, expiry date, and you can manage your domain through that manage domain option. So this is it for this video. In the next video I'll be showing you how you can host this domain on the web server using free web host website. So till then, bye If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries related to this or any other practical. And thank you for watching.